Okay, so that was scaring Timmy. Stay tuned to the end of the video. I scared another employee. But anyways, we cleaned 2 tents today, a 15 by 15 frame tent top and a 10 by 10 frame tent. They haven't been cleaned in 10 years. They weren't that bad, but you know, you could tell they're dirty. I found this nice little machine, this Kenmore machine, at a garage sale for 10 bucks. And it works amazing. It's got soft bristles on the bottom that rotate in the opposite directions. I have used floor scrubbers with pads on it. I do not like those because I feel like it's too abrasive, goes too fast, and it's harder to get into, like, you know, a tent doesn't lay exactly flat. You know, there's crevices and folds. With this thing, you can kind of push it along into those crevices. With the floor brush thing, whatever they're called, it's harder, and you got to adjust the tent all the time. So we cleaned 2 tents, so let me show you that. And don't forget, I scare someone else at the end. So here's Timmy going over the whole tent with the Kenmore scrubbing machine. We spray it with Ship cleaning chemical. It's mixed with water. We use one of these sprayers, and we use Ship tent cleaner. You can get it directly from Ship or a third-party seller. And we go over the entire thing, and then we just take paper towels and wipe it clean, and it comes out looking brand new. Now, someone said, why do I use paper towels instead of just rags? Because I don't want to be washing rags. You go over this one time, the rag is dirty, then you got to grab another rag. I'd rather just throw some paper towels away, and we get them from the dollar store, so they're cheap. So we're working on a 15 by 15 and a 10 by 10. We just go over it, every inch of it, and then wipe it clean. And here it is, clean, looking brand new. This tent is 10 years old, but looks new now. Ah!